Hey y'all, you're looking at some 20-foot 2x10s, which we've been treating out here in the shade. And you're also looking at some amazing landrace barleys that I got going on this hill. And we got this 3-inch pipe fire hose set up to start filling our systems. Pretty excited to share you this little weir I made, which is functioning quite nicely. We're just checking the erosional levels on the sides and seeing if it's going to just hold up. The pond is 4 to 7 feet, which is going to be the level we keep it this year. And the most it will rise is another foot to cover the wetland. We're going to be putting a bridge in here to get over to that Cottonwood island. And so we've been setting, with the help of Angus, collecting rocks. Look at this. Look at all these rocks we're collecting. We've been setting the piers for the bridge. It's going to span this 20 feet. Grammy! What's nice about this wetland is that it's very varied and diverse. It has real deep sections and then more shallow areas. And we have some more native plants coming up as we rewater this. So we have two types of native plants in there, a cattail and some other type of pond grass. Spontaneous speciation. And the weir, and I'm setting up some steps here, and there'll be a nice bridge. Angus working hard over there. It's 96 degrees. 96 degrees, the official temp. And so just moments ago was the first time after I worked this morning on the weir, leveling it out, that water's been washing over. And thankfully that's pretty level. The water does not lie on that one. The slots are something I imagined in a dream, and they give a really nice geometry to the whole situation. Now the second wetland is much lower, and if it fills up, could be as deep as 8 feet over here in this donut pond situation. So really happy to see this finally. We had a little lull, a couple issues getting water up here. But look at all the pollen. Holy moly. And so about 2 or 3 feet from now, we'll be going through that culvert. Tonight I'm going to use up the rest of the Soilfloc in the completely filled side to really seal it up, and then to get a final idea on the recharge. It seems to lose. It was losing 4 to 6 inches overnight in 12 hours. So with the reseal, we want to get that down to very little, and then finally, hopefully nothing. Just evaporative loss. That way we'll have to add very little to this Cottonwood restoration. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel. Share this with like-minded people. Nothing gets done without hard work. Nothing. We love each and every one of you. Be safe.